Now I'll be solving few selected questions from R.D. Sharma, some difficult question, concept based difficult questions for you. The first one that I have taken is the question number 14 of exercise 1.4 of the R.D. Sharma. What is the question? Find the least number that is divisible by all the numbers between 1 and 10 and both inclusive. That means uh, the least number that you have to find out uh, will be LCM of, so the required number, that is the least number which you have to find out, will be LCM of all these numbers, is LCM of all the numbers, and then inclusive 1 and 10. So I start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will be the required number. So how to find LCM all the numbers that you see? And you see this prime number 2, then this 4, 2, 4. They will be included in 8. Because 8 is multiple of 2 and 4. And also in 6 is 2 into 3 is 6. This is 2 into 3. So these 2 will also come here. And then these 3 will be coming here. That is, this 9 is multiple of these 3 as well as of these 3. 10 is multiple of 5 and 2. 5 into 2 is 10. So these 2 of 10 will be included in 8. In this way we can see all the prime factors are included in their multiples. So with which we are left with, so the LCM will be, so these all have gone. So these we cancel out. This 5 is left. So this 5 is left. So 5 into 6 is also gone. 2 has gone to 8 and 3 is to 9. So next is 7 is left. 7. Then this 8 I have to take. Then this 9. And then this 5 already have taken here. This 5 and this 5 is here. So this will be the required LCM. So in this way you have to see how we can find the numbers or the factors will be in the LCM. So they are multiplied. So then after that you group, because 5 into 8 is 40. So I take them together. 40, 7 9 is 63. And these two. Because a multiple of 10, if there is a multiple of 10, it is very easy to do the multiplication. So instead of multiplying 7, 5, 7 is 35, then 8, I have just observed if I can group any two factors so that their product is a multiple of 10, then our calculation will be easier. So I have observed this and made this. Now after that is very easy. 0 is left, 4th is a 12, 4th is a 24 or 25. So the calculation is very easy if I observe the factors and group suitably. So this is the answer. 2520 is the least number that is divisible by all the numbers between 1 and 10, both inclusive. And the main thing here I have shown you how I am taking these numbers out of all these. You have to just see how these factors, prime factors, are being included in their multiples.